Oh yeah. They're coming to get us. No. Here.
Yeah. Look at that.
Very cool.
My Beast Mobile. And look what I can do.
Awesome. That is so cool.
And look at the snake scale. How many snakes he defeated.
That's so blurry. It won't let me.
Yeah.
The snake. Yeah, we can see like the different things, but it won't let me like zoom in. That's awesome.
Look at the little temple that I got with it.
Very cool.
And last but not least, a snake guy.
The snake guy.
Woo.
And this is all part of Lego Ninjago 9441. Very cool. We can put this on YouTube.
Yeah.
Check out Lego.com. They're incredible. I even got some Legos too.
Hey. Don't forget.
I got the pink ones. Woohoo! I found out I am an AFOL, of an adult fan of Legos. That's what it's called, AFOL. It's pretty cool, huh? Alright.
Bye.
Peace out.